also on, and then help a little bit there. Dan de frame hier, Jonathan se ou goed het ek afgeskiem ons Bobbejaan so met skrype. Minta ons net 'n bietjie afgekom het en toe sprei die hele raam goud en swart en driekant gepaint. And then this one, yes, this pool table I make it nice. Problem is, I said no, I'll give it to someone else. You're gonna suffer. Hinges is gone, guy. You can't find those hinges, and including this bracket. 3 of these things came. Brackets gone. I made this bracket here, but I haven't got drill. You must drill here and put that one through. And the bokkop, I sprayed all these, man. To plug and I spray, but I don't like this stuff in my house. Kak, man, kak. I painted here, boys. This side here, green. It's dark here now. It's chippy. Hey, man. Yeah, put the TV. It's supposed to be in the middle. And just here. There's more light, man. It's supposed to be in the middle. Right in the middle where it was, but I said no, put it up higher. The reason for it to hide those wires, but you just take trunking down. I don't know. You must get a bigger TV and put it in the middle. That's my opinion. You change the color there if you want it pink. Pink, there's a couch here. I painted all this here, orange. Painting is moose op kop. And I tried to color this here. I tried to color this. The tilers they went through here. There's the other tables and chairs. I packed them ready to be painted, man. The bull, I took it down. Let me check this side. There is a camera there. I don't know what. A couple of things here still need to be done. That thing must go. Come. These frames to be sprayed gold, man. Yes, and this. I was going to Israel this one. I put it up just now. So spicy. I was trying to glue it. There's the other bathroom. I can't put this mirror again because the last time I drew it, the water is coming out. This side also, yeah. Put that sticker. It's expensive material, you know. Should have left it like it was and keep the money in the bank. Yeah, yes. And this side, wasted how many tins. Once like I see here, gold here, gold all around that side. Gold. En ja, yes. Die bilkop afgevat het baie swaar jong. Eer bilkop is swaar jong, maar ek het hom ook goud hoor. Ek het hom soek hom op die gold. Let's check now there. Oh, I forgot there's one nigger up there. Let's take it down. That one there. And I went by the roof. Fucking the opposite here. Yeah, almost going home. Cut. Yeah, there we go. Cut just go this side. Pool table. Ek must try and sort it, man. It's gonna be a headache for me. Blad gaan lekker op. Hinges moet presies wees so die holes kan op. Dan het jy no, Jippy, man, ish, what you done, bro? What you done? The wall looks under it was blue. That TV is exactly in the middle. I measured the wall. Exactly in the middle. Pool light, even the pool light I sprayed and